Everybody, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another Wellness Wednesday. Today I wanted to bring to you 5 tips to kind of help you stay motivated. And I know at the beginning of the year you get this juice and you're ready to go, but it can slowly dwindle not only through the week, but as the month starts to pass. And try not to let that get to you. Definitely let yourself be able to handle a little bit more. Give yourself kind of goals or things to just kind of help you along your journey of whatever it is, regardless of if it's health or where you want your career to go, any of that. So here are some of my tips. First off, set yourself a schedule. For me, at least working out wise, I need to make sure that I get up before work, get in my workout. Not only does that help me make me feel like I have accomplished something before I've even started my work day, but setting a schedule will make sure that you set yourself the time that you need to do the things that you find important or do the things that you feel like you need to succeed, whether that is in health or in your career or if you're studying for school, whatever it is. Setting aside the specific time to make sure that you have it, even if that means you have a little bit less sleep or whatnot, it really will help. Although I do need to work on setting myself a schedule for a bedtime because I know that will help me as well. The second tip I have is to wake up and try to start every day fresh. I certainly this past week had a difficult day and just knew it. I was kind of in my head all about it, and I woke up the next day feeling like I have a new chance, I have a new day. I should be grateful and thankful that I can wake up and even move my body, and all of the little things that you maybe sometimes take for granted. Let those kind of fill you up and feel grateful about those little things. So I woke up the next day feeling like I was ready to kind of tackle something, and I gave myself, usually I feel better after I give myself a very sweaty workout, kind of releasing toxins and releasing everything. Just makes you feel like you have sweat yourself into a new body or persona or whatever it is. Sweat yourself into positivity, I suppose. It just always helps to kind of get me to reset, along with then taking a shower and just feeling clean and obviously like I accomplished something. Next, number 3 is writing stuff down or tracking your progress. I'm really excited. I got myself an Apple Watch as my Fitbit died. The screen kind of crapped out on me. But I did have it for 2 years, and I do think it was very, very helpful in me losing the weight that I did. And I think a lot of that comes into play because at least with the Fitbit, I was like, all right, I want to make sure I get my 10,000 steps. The Apple Watch kind of has their own little fitness tracker for you to try to accomplish as much as you kind of set the tracker to be. And I think things like that can be very helpful, but by no means do you need to have a device to help you. If you are able to write down, that you went on a walk or that you did a 30-minute exercise or whatever it is, writing something down can help to keep you feel like you are able to accomplish this. You are able to keep going. And then at the end of the day, of course, when you've journaled something or you've done something and you're able to see your progress, it helps you a lot more knowing that that goal is achievable, whatever it may be. Speaking of goals, number 4 is setting yourself small goals. I know sometimes people look at things as having this large goal of, okay, I need to lose 30 pounds, and 30 pounds is a lot, and I'm not sure how to ever take that on. But start to work at little things at a time. Like set yourself the goal for this week, I'm gonna make sure I have 3 days where I work out. That's it. Something simple, something easy, something attainable, especially figuring out where you are in your life and your lifestyle. If you are just starting out, give yourself I want to work out 3 times a week, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Doing something that changes your body and what you normally have been doing will definitely make some sort of change. If you change your body and start to work out and move around, you will start to see certain things change. It will just start to naturally happen. Your body adapts. That's what humans do. That's what animals do. So make yourself small little goals. If it's not with working out and you want to focus more on your diet, then maybe for a week you do a sugar cleanse. Maybe for a week you make sure that you have one meal that is really heavy with fruits and vegetables. do something that really can help to make you feel better. And especially when you start to achieve these little goals, I think it will help to show that your bigger goal will be more attainable. And sometimes I think we get lost, especially, and I know I've talked about this so much, don't get lost in that number. If you are looking to lose weight, and I know that I would love to lose weight, but I'm focused on strength training right now, and I have not moved on the scale. Like, my body weight is pretty much the same, which it was for this whole past year, but I probably will end up gaining weight because of having more protein and strength training. But in the end, hopefully I will have more muscle, which then will help me burn more fat. So don't always get so concerned about the numbers. As long as you're making sure that you are taking care of yourself, eating well, and exercising, you're doing the right things, and your body will start to change. And lastly, number 5 is going out and seeing if you have a buddy to do things with you. And if you don't have someone who can do things with you, hopefully you have someone you can talk to about what you're trying to accomplish or do. And again, it doesn't matter if this is fitness, it doesn't matter if this is you studying for school, it doesn't matter if this is you wanting to achieve something in your career. If you're able to talk about something with someone, that will help. Even better though is if you have someone who's kind of wanting to join you on your journey. And especially if it's working out, having a buddy, that's always a great way to really push yourself. I love doing at-home workouts where I've been really into Pop Sugar. They have great strength training workouts. And it's great to follow along with people, even though we are in a time where a lot of people can't be meeting each other because of coronavirus. That should not stop you from attaining what you want to obtain. I really think it is something where, as long as you put your mind to it, things really are possible. Even if we are stuck at home or whatever it may be, there are always ways to kind of work around things to make sure that you are healthy and you are taking the time to take care of yourself. If you eat better and you exercise, you really start to see that the world is your oyster and you can accomplish quite a lot. So I hope some of these tips may have helped you. Try to not get bogged down by what other people are doing or accomplishing. Everybody is going to have their own time of how long maybe it will take them to lose weight or how long it will take them to adjust to a healthier lifestyle. Don't get worried about what everybody else is doing or how fast they may be accomplishing something. Take it on your own terms and know that as long as you are taking care of yourself, that is what truly matters. So, thank you so much for being here today on this Wellness Wednesday. I hope it helped you. If you are interested in other Wellness Wednesdays, I have many of them. Feel free to check them out. I can put a link above for you to see them all. Thank you again so much for being here, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye, guys.